Good morning. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to be dealing with this Camco 36-gallon portable black tank. A few days ago, the wheel broke on me whenever I was doing a dump. Luckily, I was able to drag it over there with this broken wheel, or else that would have been a real shitty situation. Forgive the pun. But I called up Camco, and they graciously sent me a wheel kit for free. So we're going to be fixing that today. Let me go grab some tools, and I'm going to go ahead and start trying to get this wheel off. The other wheel's fine, as you can see. So if there's two wheels in this wheel kit, I haven't checked yet. I just barely opened the top. But if there's two wheels, I'll probably just save the other one as a spare for when this evidently happens again. All right, be right back. I don't really know which tools I'm going to need, so I'm just going to go with this plastic clip remover to try and get this aluminum cap off, and I'm hoping just a hammer to hammer the new one on with the new wheel. All right, let me try to get that off. It's trying to fall over. I'm gonna put this on the ground. Aha! Got it off. All right. There we go. All right. Let's see what's in the box. Is this a different size wheel? No, it looks the same. All right, so this side is the outside. Looks like I just slide that on. How about that? It came with instructions if I would have just looked. All right, so what is this piece of plastic there? Let me get the instructions open and then I'll tell you what everything is. I'll be right back. All right, so in the package we got these spacers, we have new washers, new end caps, and 3 snap rings. So it didn't currently have these spacers, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull the, I guess for lack of a better word, that's an axle shaft. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it all the way out and put the spacers on there because they were included. It also did not have the snap rings, so I actually don't even know if I have my snap ring pliers with me. I might have to go see if my grandfather has a pair. But let me get that axle pulled out and we'll be right back. There we go. I may not need these spacers. think she's good as new. So I'm just going to keep all this other stuff as extra parts because I have an extra wheel. That's pretty straightforward, guys. It's pretty easy. I don't see why anybody else couldn't do it. Anyways, thanks for watching. If I don't see you down the road, I'll see you in the next video. In my last video, I had a guy comment whenever the review of this tank, and he told me that I was loosening the wrong cap for ventilation. If you can read right there, it says loosen cap for venting, and then there's a line, and then underneath it, it says spray rinse. So any logical person would assume that this means this is the spray rinse one, and this one is the one that you loosen for ventilation. Hope this finds you well, friend.